At La Marzocco, we've been quite excited about our new Vulcano Swift. The espresso preparation of the La Marzocco Swift and the precision of a Mazur conical burr set make it easy to give your customers delicious, high-quality espresso again and again. To achieve such highly consistent coffee, we turn to volume-based dosing. While on-demand grinders use a timer to determine how much coffee will be ground, the Vulcano Swift fills the portafilter basket to a volume that is set by the barista. We wanted to see how the Vulcano Swift stood up against the Vulcano Automatic and the Vulcano E. To do this, we gave an experienced barista 10 minutes to prepare as many portafilters as possible, weighing each one for consistency and accuracy for a targeted dose of 18 grams of coffee. This is Megan. She works in our marketing department and has never made coffee professionally. We are confident enough in the Vulcano Swift that we switched out our experienced barista for Megan. Let's see how she does. As an additional test, we gave our professional barista a time frame of 5 minutes instead of 10. To make it interesting, we gave him 2 portafilters to see how many could be filled within the time frame. There you have it. With 5 minutes, our experienced barista is able to prepare 27 portafilters for extraction. Compare that to 29 portafilters in 10 minutes with a Vulcano automatic doser grinder, and 39 portafilters with the Vulcano E on-demand grinder. This table also shows that the dose remained much more consistent with the Vulcano Swift compared to the other Vulcano grinders. Just imagine what this grinder could do for you and your coffee bar.